5 squared gives us 25. 5 minus 1 gives us 4. 25 minus 4 gives us 21. 5 minus 1 here gives us 4, and 21 times 4 gives us 84. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have multiple operators present. We have few subtraction operators present, we have a multiplication operator present, but we also have parentheses present too in this expression. So according to the rules mentioned here, parentheses have highest priority. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. So 5 minus 1 inside parentheses, that gives us 4. And then we have 5 minus 1 inside parentheses here too, that also gives us 4. Our expression now simplifies to 5 square minus 4 times 4. Now we have a couple of operators present here. Multiplication, we have subtraction operator present too, but we also have exponent available here in this expression. And second priority is exponent as per the rules mentioned here. So we must solve this part first. So 5 squared, that gives us 25, and our expression now simplifies to 25 minus 4 times 4. Now we have two operators left in this expression, subtraction and multiplication, and according to the rules, multiplication takes higher priority than subtraction. So we must solve this part first. 4 times 4 gives us 16. Our expression simplifies to 25 minus 16, and finally 25 minus 16, that gives us 9, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.